Hey everybody, we're back with another episode of Girl Dad Reviews. Today we are here with...
Grace, Lucia.
Today we are going to review...
Beanie Boos.
Ta-da-da-da! Beanie Boos Mini Collectibles.
You love the collectibles? Collectibles? Mm-hmm. And they're ages 3 and up.
Alright, let's get into it. So you could have a chance of getting one of... Is it 16 different?
Yeah, I think.
Or 12 different ones?
Yeah. I feel it. Oh, I know it. I know what one I got. Dude, this is a big one. I got the seal. I got the seal without even opening it. It has the tail. I have the seal. Let me guess, I have the seal. I know who it is already. Oh. I got the...
Did that get stuck in your teeth? Is that stuck?
I knew it. Aw, cute. Grace. I got it right. It's so fuzzy. It feels so fuzzy. Mm.
Which one did you get?
Squirt.
Squirt?
Yes, this little baby squirt. I got Precious.
Let's see.
Here's all the collectibles.
Cute. Look at those little puppy dog eyes.
And then these ones and the back.
And you can find these at Aldi and other places. I'll leave a link in the description. Mm-hmm. So that's pretty cool. Mm-hmm. That's exciting, right?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with them?
Probably like hang them, put them in my room.
Yeah.
Just make good a decoration.
You gonna try to collect all of them?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
All right. Thank you for watching. That's it for today. Beanie Boos Mini. And be sure to check out our other videos. Check below. We have food reviews. We have some toy reviews, candy reviews. Check those out. And be sure to
like and subscribe.
And follow us on Instagram. Have a great day.